some of the places, and it's all party committee. And when we associate with all party committee meeting, and that too for government and national work, we keep our political interest away. We discuss from national interest angle. We don't bring politics there. Congress MP, there's a BJP MP, there's a Shiv Sena MP, there's a NCP MP, there's a West MP, there's a Trinamool Congress MP. So, irrespective of party, major parties are associated, and my visit is just to associate with that committee, and that's why I requested, I said the message, I will keep Mr. away from party activities. But our leader, General, he has requested at least we should meet with our executive committee member, and I should get the opportunity to interact over the things with all of you. And that's why we are very much here. I think if you want to ask anything, certainly you will write to us. And I will leave that.
सर पार्टी विधानसभेच्या निवडणुका तोंडावर आले तर आपण एनसीपीचं काही विशेष असं प्रयत्न आहे किंवा काही
कसं की विधानसभेच्या निवडणुका आल्या आज नॅशनल लेवलला स्टेट लेवलला काही राज्यामध्ये वी आर कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शन बट वी आर कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शन एज अ फ्रंट. In Goa, we have not taken any final decision, but within our party, there is a definitely thinking. In tomorrow's Vidhan Sabha election in Goa, we should contest as the NCP, Congress, and Goa Plus and some other like-minded parties. But we have not yet discussed. But within our party, there is a discussion. Our colleague who is in charge of Goa, Mr. Praful Patel, is keeping close dialogue with this cross-section, and ultimately states will need to give direction, and from that direction we will definitely discuss with other like-minded party, and if possible we will contest election as a front and to provide a viable alternative to BJP and stable government in Goa.
So,
50-50 or 50-30, these issues are not discussed at local level. These issues are always discussed at national level. And we have authorized Mr. Praful Patel to go in detail. Now you raise the issue of how long we are going to wait. It is correct. You know, my party colleagues are also definitely they are expecting decision should be as early as possible. But generally, for alliance politics, decisions are taken at least 3 months or 6 months prior to election date.